Hi, I'm Isabella Cuzzola. Usually I'm behind the scenes, but today I've swapped places with my mum Danae Cuzzola, who's manning the camera for this video. I recently became an executive member last month in Young Living. Unfortunately, I'm a broke uni student and I'm starting to become a genetic scientist. So with the money I'm earning from Young Living, it's helping me pay off my student loans immensely. Being stuck at home during this chapter in our lives can get you surprisingly creative. And why not use that creativity to make wonderful products from ingredients you can find in your home? So today, I'm going to show how you, with these 6 ingredients I have today, can make your very own pink clay mask. Yay! So let's begin. But you're going to have to move. He wants to be a part of it too, but not today. So I have here 2 tablespoons of pink clay. You can use any pink clay, but today we're using Australian pink clay. Now pink clay has a lot of silica in it, and that's really good for improving the elasticity in your skin, a common feature found in young people. It's also good for gently exfoliating it and minimizing the blackheads you have on your face, and also feels really nice. Next, I have 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Now, aloe vera gel is, I believe, an antioxidant. I might be wrong. I have a list here, so I can remember what I wrote down. It is an antioxidant, and it also prevents wrinkles. Now, no one likes wrinkles. I don't like wrinkles, and I want to get rid of my imaginary wrinkles. So why not do that with this mask? And it also has a very nice calming effect, so you don't want your face to blow up and all that, so make it nice and calm. And I have here 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. We use the Bragg's apple cider vinegar, which has the mother on the bottom, which I sugared up so you can't see it right now, but there's usually a thick layer on the bottom. Apple cider vinegar is good for maintaining a neutral pH in your skin, and it is also good for boosting your skin health, which everyone likes a nice healthy looking skin. Now before I put that in, I'm going to add our essential oils to the mix. So I'm going to start with 4 drops of lemon oil. Now lemon oil, if I can remember, is good for cleansing and purifying your skin. So we'll add that in here. Now I'm making this for my sister, who absolutely loves this. And once she ran out, she kept pestering me to make her another one. So this is for you, Alex. Next, I'm going to put in 6 drops of tea tree, also known as Melaleuca alternifolia, which is a very long word, I know. Now, Melaleuca is good for reducing the appearance of blemishes. So we'll add that in there. And by the way, if you're starting out on making a mask or you're not used to strong masks, I suggest that you substitute your apple cider vinegar for water to make it weaker but still has the same effect, and also maybe half the drops of tea tree, because tea tree is a very strong oil. Last but not least, geranium. 10 drops of geranium. Geranium creates a healthy looking skin. That's all I could really find on that. But I find geranium to smell very nice. Actually, I think geranium smells like Turkish delight, and I love Turkish delight. And if you want to make your own Turkish delight, geranium is a culinary oil. So if you add a couple of drops of this to dark chocolate, melted dark chocolate, and dip some figs in, voila, you have your own natural Turkish delight. So we're going to add that in now with our oils and apple cider vinegar. And now with our mix, we are going to stir that until it creates a nice consistency. So you don't want it too wet that it's going to fall off immediately, but you don't want it too hard that it doesn't feel nice. So we might have to add a bit of pink clay to that, which I will do right now. And don't think this is just for teenagers. Anyone could use this. Women, maybe not children because it might be a bit too strong, but that's where you can substitute the apple cider vinegar for water and reduce the amount of oils you put in it. But I suppose men could also use it as well if you're into that kind of thing. So we're just gonna mix that. And that's looking like a much better consistency. See, it's not too wet and it's not too dry, it still stays on the spoon. And we're going to add this into this little jar for my sister. She'll be very happy when she comes home. I'm going to add that in there. It's a bit hard to get in because it's such a small jar. That's about most of it. And voila, you have just made your own natural DIY mask.
Put a little bit on your hand. Show the girls.
Yeah, my mum's telling me what to do, so.
No, you can see it.
So
Look
it
at
feels
that.
really nice and smooth compared to all those other products will feel a bit really heavy and grainy, but this is just really nice and light, exactly what you want out of a mask. Just to reiterate, sorry, 2 tablespoons of pink clay, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar or distilled water, 4 drops of lemon essential oil, 6 drops of tea tree essential oil, and 10 drops of geranium essential oil. I hope you liked my little video on how to make a pink clay mask, and I hope you make one at home, and I'd love to see how your skin turns out after it. I also hope you enjoyed my first video by myself. It's a bit nerve-wracking, but I managed to get through it, which is all, and get the information out there, which is always a good thing. And I suppose I shall see you all in the next video if I ever make one, which I probably will. And I want to thank my mum, Danae, for looking after the camera and seeing all the comments and that. I hope they're really nice comments. And I shall see you all in the next one. Bye!